Hi there, in this lesson, we will explore the basics of Java programming language. Java is a widely used, high-level programming language that was initially released in Abbayi Sun microsystem. Since then, Java has grown in popularity and is now used in a variety of applications including web development, mobile app development, and enterprise software development. In this lesson, we will also compare Java to C and other popular programming languages as well. While both Java and C are object-oriented languages, there are several key differences between them. For example, Java is generally considered to be easier to learn and use than C as it offers more advanced features such as garbage collection and automatic memory management. We will also cover the steps involved in setting up development environment for Java programming and how Java code gets executed. So see you in the next video.